Welcome to our culinary journey through Japan. Listen up, you donkey, because we're about to dive into a world of flavors that'll make your taste buds sing. Today we're exploring the most famous Japanese cooking recipes that have captured hearts and taste buds around the world. From the precision of sushi to the soul-soothing warmth of ramen, get ready to experience the best Japan has to offer. We're talking culinary artistry here, not some amateur cooking show. Sushi, you lot, it's not just raw fish slapped on rice, this is an art form. You've got perfectly cooked, seasoned rice, delicate seaweed, and the freshest fish you can find. Listen, if it smells even slightly off, bin it. No one wants food poisoning, especially not from something as delicate as sushi. Presentation is key here. Think clean lines, vibrant colors, and a balance of textures. And for God's sake, don't you dare squeeze that wasabi into your soy sauce. You'll insult the chef and ruin the delicate flavors. This is about respect for the ingredients, you hear me? Ramen, this isn't your college dorm room instant noodles. We're talking rich, flavorful broth simmered for hours, with perfectly cooked noodles that have just the right amount of bite. None of that soggy mess, yeah? And the toppings. We're talking marinated eggs, tender slices of pork belly, spring onions for freshness, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds for a touch of nuttiness. It's all about the layers of flavor, building them up until you've got a bowl of pure comfort. Now slurp it up with gusto, you hear? It's the only way to show your appreciation. Chapter 3. Tempura, Crispy Perfection. Tempura, this is where things get really interesting. We're talking about taking the freshest seafood and vegetables and encasing them in a light, crispy batter. The secret is in the temperature of the oil, nice and high so the batter crisps up instantly, sealing in the juices of the ingredients. Don't overcrowd the pan, you'll end up with a soggy mess. And for God's sake, don't even think about using stale oil. The flavor will be atrocious. Serve it up with a side of dipping sauce and a sprinkle of salt, and you've got yourself a winner. Chapter 4. Okonomiyaki, the savory pancake you never knew you needed. Okonomiyaki, the Japanese pancake that will blow your mind. This isn't your sweet breakfast treat, no sir. This is a savory masterpiece packed with cabbage, meat, seafood, whatever you like. It's all mixed together in a batter and cooked on a hot griddle until it's golden brown and crispy. Then, you get to go wild with the toppings. Japanese mayonnaise, sweet okonomiyaki sauce, ayanori seaweed flakes, bonito flakes dancing with heat. It's a flavor explosion in every bite. Don't be afraid to experiment, get creative with your toppings and make it your own. Chapter 5. Miso Soup, a taste of tradition. Miso soup, the soul of Japanese cuisine. Don't underestimate this simple soup. It's the perfect start to any meal, light and flavorful, with the umami richness of miso paste. We start with dashi, a delicate stock that forms the base. Then, we add the miso, whisking it in gently until it dissolves. Tofu, seaweed, spring onions, the possibilities are endless. It's all about balance, a harmony of flavors that will cleanse your palate and prepare you for the culinary journey ahead. It's the perfect way to end our Japanese adventure, wouldn't you agree? And there you have it, the most famous Japanese cooking recipes. We've tackled sushi, wrestled with ramen, conquered tempura, embraced okonomiyaki, and found our zen with miso soup. We hope you enjoyed this culinary adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious content. Now go on, get out there and cook up a storm.